Hey everybody, Steve Czerniejewski here, Snow Group Product Manager for the Alamo Group Snow and Ice Team. And here in our Ayers Cliff production facility, have something pretty exciting to show you guys. Our very first Salt Pro V-Box spreader. This is our very first prototype that we built here. This is a new product line that's going to be coming to you guys in early 2026. This is something that we've been working on here throughout 2025. Pretty excited to bring it to the market. This is something that's going to be a very feature-rich V-Box spreader while being very competitively priced. A lot of standard features: 304 stainless steel, 12 gauge hopper, 12 gauge supports on the side, 10 gauge long rails, stainless steel conveyor floor, 24-inch wide 667X pintle chain with a 25-to-1 gearbox and hydraulic motor setup with a 2-inch drive shaft. Very, very stout setup. Standard tilt dump chute. This will tilt up and out of the way when you need to quickly evacuate any additional load that you have at the end of a run. We have our standard top grates, which are our very heavy duty top grates. Steel grates with a 304 stainless steel formed center channel beam. That will give us additional longevity with the product. Comes standard with bolt-on strap tie-downs, so you can strap this into your body. And the other exciting feature that's going to bring us some additional strength is our standard grease tensioner system. A lot of other units in the market have a threaded rod with a bolt to manually tension the chain, and you have to go back and forth from side to side. With this system, we have grease tensioners that tension the chain through adding grease, that, as you see here, have grease fittings right on the tensioner. And not shown here is these will have a remote grease option that will actually bring grease lines similar to this all the way to the end of the spreader right here. So if you need to tension your chain while your spreader is inside your dump body, you have the ability to do so. And standard also is remote grease for the bearing blocks. So you can grease your bearing blocks while the unit is inside of your dump body. We have our standard spinner diverter. Comes standard with 5 different settings, so you can dial in your spread pattern for your particular application. Again, we're really excited to bring this new product to the market. If you're interested, reach out to your Alamo Snow and Ice Team sales representative, get some additional information, and we'll get some information out to you. Thank you.